What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Alright, so in this video we're going to show you guys how to install universal short shifter. We're going to go ahead and put the link in the description. Alright, but before we get started, make sure to subscribe because we are trying to hit 1,000 subs by the end of the year. Alright, also if you have any comments, leave them in the comment section. We like to hear what you guys have to say and any questions you guys may have. Anyway, let's go ahead and get started. We went ahead and we already put the car on the ramps because we do have to get underneath and disconnect the OEM shifter. So I'm just going to go inside and start taking things off. Alright guys, so we'll show you why we're changing this in the first place. So as you can see on these cars, like the first, second, it's too long of a stride. You know, it's not, I don't know, it just doesn't feel sporty. It feels really loose, almost like a grandma or grandpa car. You know, like boom, boom, like coming all the way back here. But anyways, this was already ripped, so I'm gonna change this out anyways. I already ordered this little boot. The shift knob is all cracked and just looks old and outdated. And this is loose, so you know, we're gonna have to change that too. We're gonna have to fix it somehow. For this, whatever. We're gonna replace that. And then you have this little rubber here. This is gonna have to come off too. Super easy. And this one looks like somebody would try to get in here, but whatever. I think this is just for like sound and probably like a weather, you know, like a weather strip. Right, so we had already went ahead and disconnected it from the bottom, but it's almost impossible to show you guys how to, you know, how to take it off because there's no way I can get the camera in there. So we're just gonna show you through up here. This is gonna come off. And with this one, let me see, where's my screwdriver at? Oh, well, that was easy. That one came off. Right, so I'm gonna take my screwdriver and I'm just gonna poke at this because we have to like twist it. Just like that. Alright guys, so we got it out. There it is. Popped it out. Alright guys, so there it is. There's where the shifter was connected to. And that, what you see right there, goes through here. It goes right through here. So that's a little tricky to disconnect. You're probably gonna have to use like a long screwdriver. There's like a little clip at the end that needs to pop off. But yeah, it's super easy to see it from up here. All right, so the pin goes through here, you know, when this goes down there. But it's not gonna fit on this end. So we're gonna have to shave this end off, pretty much almost bald. Because this clip has to sit in there to hold this in place, to hold the pin in place. And it's got like a little ridge on it where, you know, this falls into place. And that's what's gonna hold it. Alright, so I'm just going to the garage and start shaving this off. Alright, so as you can see, we shaved that top part off pretty much in half. Almost to where there's barely any left. So I'm going to go ahead and stick this down in there and go ahead and hook it up from the bottom. Okay, so we couldn't record underneath, but we went ahead and we took a picture with the phone. And we're going to go ahead and put that up on the screen so you can see what we were talking about and how we hooked it up. But it's in there, it's nice and steady. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and put this back. Try to get it in the right way. There's like a little lip on there that has to squeeze in. So let's do that. Alright, it's a little tricky to put in. You're gonna have to fight with it, but we finally got it in there. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the foam back in there. This goes like this. Tuck that under there. Make sure you have these wires on top. You don't want to hide the wires. You'll need those later. Tuck that in there. Gonna go in like this. I'm just gonna put it back in for now until this comes in. So we're just gonna deal with it. Alright, so the clips are broken, so this kind of just sits on there like that. I might seal it down, but nah, probably not. But this is fine. Alright, so it doesn't look too good still because obviously I don't have the shift knob. And this still looks like crap, but it feels a lot better.
There's a big difference. So basically this is neutral right here, and then you go this way, that's first, then you go to second, that's second, and then you go to third, that's third, fourth, and then fifth. But the main thing is, if you look at first, that's it. And then second used to be like down here, where you would like go from neutral, or from first you would go second to like down here.
Yeah.
But now it's actually like he said, it almost looks like it's in neutral, you know, because it's almost in the center, but it's in gear right now. It's in second gear. This is first, super short, so it actually made a big difference.
All right, so we're gonna go ahead and take it for a ride and see how it feels.
Alright guys, so we're about to go in reverse. Look at that. That's reverse. Look at that. So then now we go into first. That's first. Hella short. Oh man. Honestly, this is probably the best mod you can do in your car. That's actually kind of cheap. It's only like 25 bucks. But look at it, for example. From first, I'm gonna go to second. That's already second.
Yeah.
Look at that. It's so short. Like, it feels amazing, honestly. It feels so dope. It feels actually really sporty. And also, it's supposed to help you when you're racing someone, because it's kind of quicker instead of the long stride.
Yeah, pretty much.
Go to second and then third. Look at that. It's so short. Ignore the crappy shift knob.
Yeah, we're throwing this away.
Yeah, we're throwing all of this away, but and ignore that Mustang. Take it. But yeah, look at this to third. Oh man, that's awesome. Like, it feels awesome.
Alright guys, so my turn to review the car. Wow, that's first already. It almost feels like it's broken. Let's go ahead and take off. Oh, the car feels faster too. Nah, I'm joking, I'm joking. Dude,
Yeah.
no way. Look, show him. Tell me that's not a neutral. That's in second gear. Oh, dude, it feels so much nicer. I don't know, that's great.
A lot sportier.
Yeah, it's more sporty. Let's take this nice turn. Ooh, just the car feels better overall. This is a must on your E46 or pretty much any car that you plan on doing this to. Like, it's night and day. It's like a new car. Alright, got a car coming. Gotta slow down. Lady, had to be.
Look at that.
This is what I'm talking about. Honestly, I'm surprised you don't get a BMW from the factory like this. At least, well, not for a 2004 or 2002 E46. I haven't driven a new BMW, so I wouldn't know, but this is a must on your car. That's it. Alright guys, so it's actually the next day. I said I wasn't going to replace these, but they actually came in on time. I was expecting them 2 months from now. They came in, just today. So I already went ahead and installed it. It's a super cool, like, suede with the BMW stitching, the colors, and then even the brake boot too. So we're gonna put that one on there. That one fits real nice right in there. And then if you guys notice too, I wrapped the interior. In the meantime, I didn't record that just because, I don't know, it's just something super simple. I had some leftover wrap, so I figured I might as well delete that wood grain look, because, you know, it's kind of like a grandma style. But my favorite part is the shift knob that came in. As you guys saw, the other one was all cracked, and it started cracking pretty bad, like just chipping off. So here's the new one. Nice leather knob. Got the M logo on there, even though the BMW's not an M, but, you know, whatever. But it looks sick. There we go. Alright, that's nice and snug on there. And this one just clips in like that. Cool. Can't even tell. Sounds pretty dope.
Heck yeah, this looks really nice.
It looks
and
sick.
It feels really stiff
yeah, it
too.
feels nice and firm. Yeah. It's not all slippery. It's firm. So now the car's a lot sportier. Alright guys, so that's gonna be pretty much it. The car looks a lot sportier. It looks cool. It looks more modern. Looks more my style, like, you know, like a younger person style. I'm about to go ahead and tuck this in still. Alright guys, so that's going to wrap up this install. I hope you guys liked the video. So we're actually going to be giving away the exact same short shifter that we just installed. All we have to do is get this video to 500 likes. And to enter, all you have to do is go down in the comments and just leave us a comment so we can pick from the comment section. But the only catch is that this video does have to hit 500 likes in the next 30 days after posting this video. Alright guys, that's going to wrap up this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Stick around for more content on the FRS. More BMW stuff. And maybe some more motorcycles. So thank you guys, and we'll catch you guys next time.
I feel amazing. Hustle like a habit, I cannot change it. Did this for my family, that's my kinfolk. Feel like I can fly, jump right out the window. Yeah, I did it like it's nothing. I'm steady stunting. I ain't